Today's taste test is Knorr Sidekicks Sour Cream and Chives noodles. They were ready a few minutes ago actually, but life happened and I wasn't able to get to them right away. So we're gonna try them now. They look good, they smell good. My awesome friend Spicy Mark had them the other day and I thought, hey, I haven't had them yet and they look delicious. So let's try. They're falling off everywhere. Very good. Very sour cream and chive flavor. It's mild, it's not super strong, but it's nice and creamy and it's really, really good. It is an awesome side dish. I can see the appeal. It's warm and comforting, it's like warm buttered noodles, but it's sour cream and chive flavor. I really like it. Thanks so much, Spicy Mark Eats. I really like it. It's delicious. I would definitely have this again.